Today is Hello Yellow Day. It's a young man's campaign supporting children's mental health and emotional well-being. We are super excited to have Mansfield football in the community in our school once again this year, as it's a local initiative and it really brings children's mental health and emotional well-being to the forefront of everyone's minds, because with the times that we've had with COVID, with the lockdown, children are presenting that they're showing they need more support in that way. So thank you so much for coming.
What can you guys do to help others? Alright, so hands up, fire them out, think about this. You guys are trying to help raise people's self-belief, alright, in themselves. So what type of things would you like to hear someone say to you or do for you in order so you feel good about yourself? Yes, young lady. Yeah.
You could be a pretty nice friend to someone.
Yeah, absolutely. Anything else? So we'll be a friendly face. Yeah, you mind that?
You could trying to encourage them to try and do stuff and just try to do nice things.
Definitely. Encouragement, yeah.
You could just smile at them and make them feel really positive.
Yeah, excellent. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
You could play with them. Right.
Yeah, so involve people. Yeah.
You could give them confidence and say what they're good at and
Excellent.
say
Yeah.
nice things.
Say nice things and big, yeah. Super stuff, yeah. Any more?
Give them positive stuff about them.
Yeah. Positive comments, things like that. Get your ladies back.
Make them laugh.
Make them laugh. Like that. Yeah.
If they're feeling sad, you can smile and say nice things to them.
That's right, yeah. Yeah, so be comforting.
We've been looking at the power of positive thinking, dressing in yellow to emphasise that mental health is important and to emphasise that if you are mentally healthy, then you feel a lot happier and secure within yourself.
A lot of ours today was about self-belief. How did your class find it?
They were really good. They were very good at seeing positives and negatives in many different situations. So even if things were going well, they were very good at recognising that even in those situations, something could change that could damage your self-belief or make you have to readjust how you're thinking. So it's not just when you find yourself in a difficult position. They were very good at picking up when things are going well, that rug could be pulled from you. And actually the pressure when things are going well can be just as damaging if you're not strong and resilient mentally.
Children came back and they quite quickly started back into the routine of school, and they were pleased to see their friends. They were super excited to get back to learning. But as the weeks have rolled on, children are starting to present, show that they need a bit more support with their emotional well-being and their mental health, and that's why today is so important to raise the profile for everybody. I hope that they are thinking about their own self-belief, because I know that that's been the focus of the assemblies delivered today. So I hope they're taking that away, and I hope as well that they're starting to realise as well that thinking about our mental health and emotional well-being, it's a normal part of growing up, and it's not something that you need to shy away from talking about or asking for help or support with.